the land of sunshine and blue seas, when the rhythm of life moves with peace. There was a man with a guitar in hand, who spread love and peace across the land. He sang of freedom, he sang of rights.
Hello mga travelers, welcome to Kuya J Vlog. Today nandito tayo sa famous Digman. Siguro kung matatandaan ko, last time na nandito kami, back in the late 80s na siguro. Tignan nyo naman, napakatagal na nito. Titignan natin kung pareho pa rin yung lasa ng halo-halo at saka yung siopaw nila. Let's go check it out. Yung mga menu nila, yung halo-halo, pancit, chicken mami, spaghetti, siopaw. Yung pa rin yung mga menu nila, hindi pa rin nag-change, di ba? May empanada pa rin. So we're gonna end this video here, guys. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to our video if you like this video. That's it for now. Kuya J Vlog. Ciao.